welcome into the show. Here on today's video you can expect me to do a lot of driving. Yes indeed, we might show you some scenery areas, but for the most part today will be a driving video, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rudi. I also go by Trucker Rudi or Rudi's North American Adventure, whichever way you like to call me. So I appreciate you guys checking out my channel. If it's your first time here, we would love to have you on board by hitting that subscribe button, guys. We definitely would love that if you did that and follow our daily journey. We usually make daily videos, so I appreciate you guys checking it out. So stick around for the rest of the show, guys, because you never know what happens on my show. All kinds of interesting things happen. We have educational videos every once in a while, you know, throughout the video. Every once in a while we'll bring up a topic or whatever. Not every single video, but you know, some videos we do. But here we are going through North Battleford, Saskatchewan. Yeah, actually, matter of fact, we're just leaving it there right now. Going to be going over a little bit of a North Saskatchewan River. That's what this one is called. I don't think this is a very deep one because in summertime you can kind of see sand all over the place. So I don't really think right here it's a deep one. Might be deeper somewhere else, but we're on our way to Edmonton right now. If you're checking us out for the first time, we're on our way to Edmonton, Alberta, and we should be there in about 4 hours, give or take. You know, we might stop somewhere and that will slow us down a little bit. Right now we're sitting at 9:34 Central time in the morning, and we're just giving her. Yeah, we're already been working hard today, but the sun was down. It's just starting to get daylight right now. We're already driven 150 kilometers today. But yeah, it is going to be a couple of long days for us, that's for sure. We got our work cut out for us. We got to go to Edmonton, deliver this load just basically at our terminal, and then bobtail over to a different customer, pick up an empty over there, take that over to Medicine Hat, Alberta, do a trailer switch over there with a preloaded trailer, and then bring that back to Steinbach, Manitoba. And we want to do that in 2 days. Yeah. So that means we will have to drive probably about 1,150 kilometers today, 1,130 kilometers tomorrow, and we will be home sweet home. I'll have just enough time to do it. I will have probably about an hour to maybe an hour and a half left on my 70. Yeah, so that means it's going to be hard working days ahead of us here. Plus we already did a really super big day yesterday, which I still today think that that's got to be my biggest day that I've ever done. According to my calculator, it was exactly 800 miles. I did 1,281 kilometers. That is a pretty big day, I tell you guys. That was not easy to pull that one off, but we did it. We did it. We managed to pull it off. So anyways, we'll go ahead and continue on with our journey up here, and continue on and see what else we can come up with. Hopefully it's entertaining to you guys. I have now made it into Alberta, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's been a little while ago already since I entered Alberta, but as soon as I entered Alberta here a little ways down the road, it started to get really ice foggy and the temperature dropped like crazy there. It was above freezing there for a good while, and then as I got into the ice fog, it went from basically from freezing all the way down to -9 Celsius, like just in a few minutes. So it cooled down pretty good there for a while, but now it looks like that ice fog is kind of dissipated a little bit. I have a little bit of ice on the mirrors, but it's not bad. It wasn't, you know, I wasn't driving in it for hours on end, right? But yeah, we got about an hour and a half till we will be in Edmonton. We got 132 kilometers. But we're doing good. We're doing good. We made this one little pit stop there just as we got through Lloydminster. That's basically where the borderline is for Alberta. Got a little bit outside of that, and there's a pullover area. I just quickly pulled in there and did my in-trip inspection. Basically, when you carry dangerous goods, you're supposed to stop, you know, about every 200 miles or so. So I went ahead and stopped in there, did my in-trip inspection. That's what that really requires you to do when you have dangerous goods. You basically have to pull over and do a walk around and check everything, make sure all your placards are in place. So that's what I did. Went ahead and did that. Everything looks good. I don't even know if I told you guys this. Last night when I went and did my walk around the passenger placard there on the side of the trailer had just about come off. I don't know how. I even cleaned off the side of the trailer before I put them on, and these are the ones that you stick onto the trailer, and I don't know how this is even possible. I stuck them on there real good and it just about ripped off, so I don't get it how that happened, but I guess that wind is just powerful, you know. Once it gets a hold of it, then it's able to gravitate something, it just starts pulling away of it. And that's exactly, I guess, what happened. So I peeled it off completely and re-cleaned the whole area again and stuck a new one on there. And so I was worried about that a little bit, so did my circle check and it's still on there. Now I only have one extra one. See, that's why it's important when you haul stuff like this, you get yourself a couple of extra placards, so that way if you lose one, or one gets all beat up or whatever, you can go ahead and rip it off and throw another one on there, you know, to complete your trip. And so that's what we're doing. I think I shouldn't have any problems now, since all of them are good on there right now, and only got about another hour, it's an hour and 20 minutes worth of driving to do, and we'll be in Edmonton dropping this load, so then we shouldn't have to worry about it, I think. But yeah, other than that, we will go ahead and cruise along here and see what else kind of goodies we come up with, right? Welcome to Edmonton, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed, we are now in Edmonton. We got us about 10 more clicks to go till we will be at our terminal. But yeah, before we get there, we gotta get through a couple of traffic lights like usual. But that's how it goes in Canada. Can't go through a town without traffic lights, not even a big city. Not really. I think about the only one you can do that, I think, is Toronto. But other than that, you got traffic lights everywhere. Maybe Ottawa, I think, doesn't have any traffic lights going through on the Trans-Canada either, as far as I remember. But anything else, I mean, Edmonton, Calgary, everything's got lights in everywhere, you know. But anyhow, we're in Edmonton, guys. We really are. Gonna go on down to the terminal, drop this real quick, and head over to the Flying Hook. Right there is where our places where I pick up the empty trailer too. Time to get out of here, guys. Yes, indeed it is. We have now done our trailer drop. We went down to the Flying J and fueled her up. And now we are ready to roll. Yeah. Picked up our empty trailer. Done all that stuff, so here we go. Now we gotta get on down the road to Calgary, and then from there we head east towards
in 800 meters, take
Madison,
the entrance to the
Alberta, right?
Highway 16 West.
Yep, that's right. We got 600 kilometers to go up to there, so we got 7 hours and 5 minutes remaining, so I think we can do it. Yeah, we should have no problem doing that. No problem whatsoever. That's the way I look at it. Finally, the ice fog is starting to dissipate a little bit, so that's another bonus. Yeah, we don't need ice fog. Got a little bit of ice on the truck, but not too bad, you know. But anyways, let's get on down the road here, guys. Hammer down time again.
Another hard-working day is behind us, guys. Yes, indeed it is. I have actually made it up here to Medicine Hat, Alberta. Yes, indeed we have. We got another 1,128 kilometers behind us. That's around 700 or just over 700 miles for the day. Yeah, that's a hard-working day itself too. So, but guess what? We got another 700 miles to do tomorrow. Yep, that's right, man. I don't know. It's gonna be tough, but hey, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Yeah, that's right. Anyways, I'm done for today. I'm gonna go to bed real quick, and I'm just gonna take my minimum hours required, and I'm gonna get out of here. So, thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave that thumbs up or thumbs down if you guys want to be engaged with my YouTube channels here, you know. Anyways, with that being said, we'll see you tomorrow.